owned by Bond family. Ganito kalalaki ang mga farms ng isang farmer dito. Ang one section, I think, is 450 acres para matawag ka ng na-qualify ka as big farmer. 400 is one section. 450 acres is one section. In many cases, mga 2 sections pa nga ang ibang farmers eh. Kaya ayan. See how big is the land here in Canada. We just drove to what's that? Fishing ground. But no catch, but one. I didn't have any. Not my day.
Almost come. I
But,
almost got one.
But I'm sure I got a couple, but lost them because I didn't attend to my line as greatly as I should. Dapat binabantayan talaga. Nauubos na yung pain. Bago makita ko, nakalaylay na yung line ko. Wala nang pain. Halata mo kinain eh. Kasi simot na simot. Yan o, ang lalaki. Look at these cows. May makita tayong malapit-lapit. Hindi nyo makita ang buto ng cows dito. Wala kang makikita ang ribs. Ang tataba, hindi mayayakap. Hindi ka mukha dyan nakikita. Mabibilang ang ribs ng mga baka
Hindi
dyan.
ko makita.
Tignan nyo, ang laki-laki ng ang laki-laki ng Canada. This is just part of Alberta, remember? So, nice eh? And on the other side na. At saka tumingin na, lalaki talaga ng lupa eh. Imagine mo, a farmer should own 450 acres. I think what's that? 2 acres something is 1 hectare eh. Something like that. I'm not sure, but I can find it out sa Google ko mamaya. I'll try to check the Google. How much, how many acres are there in a hectare? Okay? Or you can check it for yourselves. Ayan o. Basta yung ganyang compound, maybe likely it's one family yan. Very seldom ang next family is about half an hour away. Ang next na hindi ka mag-anak. Next of kin, possible yan, magkakalapit mga next of kin yan. Like that. See? Otherwise, you have to drive half an hour or 15 minutes at least. Driving 110 clicks in an hour. Ang next neighbor talagang hindi ka mag-anak. Kasi nga kahit sa ganun ka mag-anak pa rin eh. Kasi mga nauna dito, mga Germans. Nauna dito magsaka-saka. Ano, libre yan. Turning right on highway. Ano to? We're getting off na number 21, highway 21.
564.
564. This is 564 now. We're gonna hit Stony Trail.